step us to the floor, 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 step us to the floor. Hello world, casual, linen shirt and pants. I can't wait today. This is your weatherman. It's gonna be sunshine, no signs of rain, blue sky.
Welcome to a special edition of BNN.
Breaking news.
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 News, not noose.
News.
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 News. On today's special episode of BNN, we're going to be giving you all the activity happening with Hurricane Irene.
You may ask why there are birthday balloons in the studio. Somebody's birthday is today. And your birthday sucks.
Hurricane Irene seems to be having a massive effect on the eastern seaboard of the United States. Let's take it to Catherine in our high-tech meteorologist room and see exactly what's going on. Catherine?
Thanks, Ricky. As you can see on our high-tech green screen meteorology systems, it shows a map of Brazil and the Caribbean. And there's absolutely nothing going on down here and is irrelevant to what's happening on the eastern seaboard of the U.S. Back to myself in the studio. We've gotten several reports that Hurricane Irene has flooded many basements and homes. Well, the basements are in the homes. In other news, Ricky is out there taking on the storm. They sent him instead of me because my hair is natural. Whew. Wouldn't want to get a close coverage on that one. How you doing out there, Ricky? Go.
Well, Catherine, I have to say, I'm out here in this storm and the water is unbearable. Well, since I'm out here, I might as well make good use of it. Back to you in the studio. Hurricane Irene seems to have winds of up to 115 miles an hour. Let's kick it out to Catherine and see how she's doing out there. How you doing out there, Catherine?
I'm out here in this abandoned basement. As you can hear and see, the winds are very strong, even inside the house. Like I said before, the winds were very strong.
Hey! I'm trying to watch TV
What
over
you talking
here!
about? This is supposed to be an abandoned basement. Abandoned basement. I'm over here trying to produce a news report. I'm trying to make me do my job. What you doing? You watching TV? Back to you in the studio. Let's go back to the studio. Thank you for tuning in to our special coverage of Hurricane Irene on BNN.
Breaking news. News.
News. News.
News.
News.
Make sure you stay safe
And dry.
during this hurricane season. Cue the music.
Smile on your face, yeah, nothing but.
Why you gotta always do stuff?
Why? I ain't going back. This is
I quit! Forget this! Sick and tired of all this nonsense!